Hello, friends. Keep walking, keep smiling. Welcomes you with a new profile, company profile. And today we are going to see a company that deals in paints and furniture. The name of the company is Berger Paints Limited. It's a Group A company. It comes into top 100 company in Bombay Stock Exchange. Profile of the company. Louis Berger laid the foundation of the company in 1760 in UK. In 1923, the Berger India Private Limited was established in India, basically in West Bengal. Formerly, it was known as British Paints in India Limited. Today, Dingra Brothers have majority stakes in the company. The company has 16 strategic manufacturing units in India, has presence in four countries: Nepal, Portland, Russia, Bangladesh, and many others. The company deals into paints and powder requirement for the various applications like car, furniture, fans, electrical fans, other electrical equipments. The fact and figures about the company: market capitalization is about 48,648.4 crore. Earning per share is 7.2. Beta is 0.72. Price per earning is 69.56, above the industry average of 58.77. Not There's not a big difference between the price earning ratio. The company has paid regular dividends to its shareholders, as well as the company has the history of paying bonuses from interval to interval. Sale of the company was 5,691 crore in March. It was up by 3.19% from previous year. Other income rose to 183.01%. That is a very significant jump in the income. The other incomes include the services that the company provides, like agents per paintings and other related issues like maintenance of the electrical appliances or paint, texture, etc. Net profit was around 699 crore, up 59.22% compared to 2019. The reserve and surplus of the company rose by 11.07%, which is a good sign that the company has enough cash and capital after paying dividend to the its shareholder and managing the expense. The operating margin rose by 3.04%. That is also a good sign for the company. Return on asset increased by 4.65%. That means the management is very efficiently using its resources to generate revenue for the shareholders. Promoter stakes was 74.99. Financial institute have increased their stake by 2.33% in the company in 2020. Insurance company increased their stake by very marginally, that is 0.11%. Foreign investors increased their stake by 2.33%. Financial institute and bank increased their stake by 0.05%. Mutual fund decreased their shareholding by 1.31% in 2020, due to the I guess the economic pressure, and customers selling their SIPs and mutual funds. So company needs to liquidate some assets to in order to repay the mutual fund holders. This is the 10 years price chart for Berger Paints. The average high is 333.86 in 10 years, and average low is 184.16. So it's a quite an uptrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. Basically, we can see like in 2010, the price was near about uh, was 120 90s, and then it goes up to the level of 400, and it has reached also to the level of 600, or near about 600 500. According to me, the company has a strong fundamental, so it's a good company. It can be a portfolio stock for everyone, but I will wait for the correction in the company share price due to the COVID effect, and the I will wait basically whether the sign of the recovery of the economy take place after the slight slide in the share price of the company. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe for the more information about the investments.